Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, we will learn a few steps to block ads on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. So the first step is to open Security app. From here, just tap on the settings icon. From here, scroll down until you see receive recommendations. Just disable this option. From here, just go to your home screen and swipe left until you find an apps folder. Tap on the folder. Now tap on the name of the folder, and as you can see from here, just disable today's recommendations and do that on all the folders on your smartphone. Tap on the name of the folder and turn off today's recommendations. Now the third step is to go to the settings app. From here, just search ad services. Tap on add services. From here, disable personalized ads. Now the fourth step is to go to the Chrome browser. From here, tap on the three dots at the upper right corner of your display. Now tap on settings. Now from here, scroll down until you find site settings. Tap on site settings. From here, scroll down until you see pop-ups and redirects. Tap on pop-up and redirects and disable this option. And this is how you can block ads on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.